Now, here's the thing. Space is horrible. Like it really does feel like it's terrible. Space is so scary in a way where at the same time it's so peaceful knowing there are billions of planets out there. I mean, I don't really believe in aliens. I think life alone is so special to the point where it's so rare to the point where you need a designer for it. And for some reason, I feel like we're the only planet out there that are like we are special to the point where I don't think we should call it we're alone, but I think we should call it like we are special in a way. But space and like everything in it, it's really amazing. And I don't have a lot of interest in space, but I've just again like looking online, seeing some crazy cool facts in space. It's really fun to watch. I'm pretty sure Jupiter is also like I think 100% made out of water. There's a hurricane that goes on there, you know, giant storm, etc. Blah blah blah. You know, it's space, right? I think what I love also about space is there's even planets that literally rains glass sideways. Like literally, if you go in there and starts raining glass, it literally is gonna tear up your skin, and you don't want to be in that mess. There's also like a planet that literally is made out of diamonds. It's crazy, right? And there's even like asteroids. A lot of asteroids are made out of, you know, I think nickels, aka pennies, something like that. Hey, we don't have any, you know, I'm just saying, we may not have any nickels right now on planet Earth, but we can go up in space and try to find asteroids and mine it up. Who knows? That could work. But honestly, space really is terrifying in such a way, and it's crazy too on how big our universe is in general. I believe our universe is infinity. I believe we have one universe. I believe there are infinite planets, infinite, you know, galaxies. Things are going around. I don't really believe in multiverses. I also have a very hard time believing in multiverses. But something about this universe is really beautiful and really eye-catching in a really weird way. I mean, for starters, it's crazy. I mean, everything about it is crazy. Now, I actually wanted to make a little video on this also. This is gonna be a little bit conspiracy theory, but pretty much in The Simpsons, we see like how the sun, you know, has this giant hole or something like that, and it causes a blackout, right? What's crazy is we're seeing the sun right now having, you know, I think there's like a large hole where I think it's just ripped up or something, and now we're seeing beautiful skies, even in, you know, Nebraska or Utah or whatever. I don't know where, but like I've heard like people like seeing, you know, like aurora valleys, right? Up in the sky, and like they don't see it in their places. What's crazy is I watched a video on like, okay, what happens if there's a worldwide, you know, blackout? And the first thing he said was there's going to be aurora valleys everywhere. After that, the world is going to be, you know, blackout, all of that stuff. And I don't know, like, it's weird. It's also weird because I want to know why it happens. I want to know how it happens. And I'm not really interested in that study field per se. I'm more interested in content creation. But like what really impacts like me and like me just want to explore more is really the mysteries of space that we don't know. Like I believe we probably explored 0.01% chance of space. Like I really do. And I think we should probably go on, explore space even more. Probably let's stop a little bit then and there so we don't ruin the fun, but even then I think space is really fun to explore. But what do you guys think? I mean, personally, I think space is one of the most coolest things you could ever explore in the entire universe in a way where I don't think anyone can ever imagine. And I think it will be really fun exploring these types of things and these type of stuff around, you know, the world. But I'm probably going to end off this video. Gonna go ahead, make a dinosaur video. After this, I'm probably just gonna watch, you know, creepy space facts or creepy ocean sea creatures, whatever. But I'll talk to you later. Peace out. Bye.